friends, good morning. I am Ranjana. Today, let's know few things about the legend of Kannada film industry, Narayana Swami, alias Pranaya SRINATH. SRINATH, one of the most handsome faces in Kannada film industry. He has acted in most of the melodious songs in Kannada. He has given life to those beautiful melodious songs. He has been a part of Manasa Sarovara movie which was produced by Ms.Ranjana movies. He has acted as a main lead in more than 196 movies. He has given life to various characters in more than 350 movies. Famous actors Manjula and Aarti were his beautiful on-screen pairs. SRINATH started his acting career from a small role in Lagna Patrike movie and continued to work for more than 41 years in Kannada film industry. Recently, in 2020-21, he acted an important role in Nimisha movie directed by Satya Mitra, the founder of Mitra Sangama Film Institute. This is a brief introduction about SRINATH. Thank you.